What's going on, little dragons? How are you feeling today? Feeling good? Please do let me know down in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, guys. Share this video with your friends and family, and punch that subscribe button, guys, as it will help me out so very much. Now today I'm going Coombe Abbey, you guys. I'm going Coombe Abbey. I don't know, my friend's taking me there. Just gonna see how it is, if I like it or what, but should be exciting. Don't know what it is. Hopefully there's some spots to do parkour in. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm very happy to take you guys along with me, so let's go. Don't look safe, don't feel safe. Oh my god. It's raining for the past few days, guys. My hands are frozen. We'll see. Don't ride too fast, don't slip. I'm riding on one hand. So what's down there? You're bringing me down there. Nah, we should go. Just go.
You go first, yeah?
Let's go first. How far is it? If I slip.
It's about half a mile.
Okay. Look at that, guys. So guys, if you haven't already, please share and subscribe.
I don't want to slip, go slow.
Yeah. Please share and subscribe. Shut up. Yeah. Just watch the floor, bro.
Yeah, this is the view to take in. Hey, when we get down there, and you can see the whole of Coventry, bro.
It's gonna be worth it.
Not the whole of Coventry, but most of it.
Look at this, man.
Anyway, let's keep going.
Wow. This is the way we came. We're going hiking, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna get my my wheels all messed up today. That'll be worth it. That'll be worth it. Wow. I see some light. You see that light? What is that, bro? I see some light. What is it? Wait, give me a second. Get off your bike. Give me a second. Hey. Oh. What's that? Bro, this is amazing.
Put the torch on, bro.
I thought you had time to do that.
I can't see anything. It's dark.
Look at this, middle of nowhere. Comment down below who would come here by themselves at night.
I wouldn't.
There's someone coming. There's someone coming.
What?
There's someone coming. Yeah. No, I mean, let's just ride. But like, let me go to the right. He's going to the, look, he's going that way. Look at this, guys. This is don't tell me this is not a view. Do not tell me this is not a beautiful view. I'm gonna fall off my bike. Wow.
So guys, we're in the middle of nowhere.
What's this? Oh, is there horses here?
No, don't go through that.
We're not going through that.
Go through there at night, but not now.
We're not going there.
Imagine we get lost here.
We won't get lost. You...
Probably starting to happen. Don't worry, bro.
I wish it was.
Sit down.
Wow.
Right. This is single file. This don't look like single file to me. So do you want to go up to the climbing forest or do you want to go into the manor?
Where's the manor?
There. See it? The big house?
Where's
to the right?
Yeah, we'll go there.
Alright.
Here we are. Coombe Abbey Hotel. Nice.
Good on, guys.
Look at that.
A nice Christmas tree. Literal real tree.
You can go inside, but
Huh?
we're allowed to go inside.
No, but you're not allowed to go inside.
Gates. I have no idea where we're going. We're planning on just getting lost here, guys. But we'll see. Wow. So this is where I am right now. It's a big road trip actually. Where are we? Yeah, we're out of Coventry. It's gonna be good. Pretty cold, pretty sunny. Probably gonna do more vlogs like this on my bike. It's gonna be really exciting. I'm gonna go back to Coombe Abbey in the daytime. Just gonna, you know, mess around in the park, do some parkour. Couldn't do it this time, but it's just a good bike ride, right? That's good. Yeah. So yeah, let's carry on. No. Boom.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Let's go. Look at this, guys. Boom. It's not a real car, but it's close enough. Do you want me to take a picture with you in the car?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's on me. I'll send it to you and go home. So I won't forget like you.
So foggy.
1 sec, I just want to see what's down here.
Cross the gym, isn't it? Oh no. Sounds like the gym. Oh yeah.
Yep.
It's pushed about through the cat park.